Hello and welcome to today's daily tip video. Today's daily tip video is going to be about pruning your raspberries, as it's now time to be getting them pruned, ready for the new growth this year. Some you don't prune, the summer canes you only prune the ones that they fruited on last year, not the new canes, the ones that were last year. And your autumn raspberries, you can just prune them all. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, so let's see what we get on with. So these are all my raspberry canes down the side of my plot. They've grown absolutely wild over the years, but I cannot fault them. These are absolutely brilliant. Right, so what we need to do is, these I know are my autumn raspberries. As you can see, there's still a bit of flowers left on. So these ones can be cut down to the stump because new ones will grow this year. But if the summer ones, the way you can tell if you should cut them down or not is by using this little trick, what I do. So you get a pair of scissors and you scrape it, and if it's green like that, you don't chop it down. That will grow this year. But if it looks dead like that, and there's no green in it, it's just dead, you can chop that one down. So let's get cutting. So I've just chopped all them down and just left little stumps. So when I get round to it, I just need to weed all that and clear it all, ready for next year's to grow. Well, this year's when you're watching it. I filmed it in December, so yeah, ready for this year's to grow. So thanks for watching this video on how to prune your raspberries, and I hope it helps you identify and decide which raspberries that you need pruning down on your allotment. Make sure you check the description below, and it will give links to my website where you will find more details on about pruning raspberries and also other items. So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to click the subscribe button, give it a like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.